Hey everyone, I want to talk about high velocity engineering, or Hive coding. Hive coding is about writing production grade software with tools that facilitate building in parallel. I'd like to introduce DevSwarm, a desktop application that enables you to build as fast as you can think. It is the tool of choice for serious Hive coders. Go to devswarm.ai to download DevSwarm during this free limited beta. After downloading DevSwarm, go ahead and create an account with either Google or GitHub. After creating your account, you'll be presented with the system check screen. Here you can make sure your system is ready to go. Even if you don't have an AI assistant installed, you can download several right from this screen. If you've never used an AI assistant before, you can start with Gemini, which has an accessible free tier. After the system check page, we can add a repository. We're going to add an existing repository, but you can create a new repository as well. Once we've added a repository, we're ready to start building in parallel. A builder is a combination of a branch and an AI assistant. We're going to work on our ready algorithm here. We're going to use Gemini as our assistant. There are tools that will help facilitate development outside of using the AI assistant. We can configure our repository to run our application in parallel, and we'll visit that in the future. Now, while the assistant is working on this task, I can go ahead and get started on other tasks as well. Let's update our documentation. Also, I need to make sure that my libraries are up to date. Now that I have these three builders running, they're all going to be working, and they're all going to be asking for my feedback. This is really important. This allows you to stay in the loop, making sure that you stay in control to ensure that the application is actually doing what you need it to do. But you don't need to wait. You have the ability to move quickly between each of the different builders to ensure that they are all working at maximum efficiency. And you're presented with the changes as you work to review what the AI is doing. You can review the changes that your AI assistant is making by looking at the Get Actions view. From here, you can see the changes they've made during this work that are uncommitted. From here, you can also commit your changes. Each of these builders is operating in their own directory with their own independent AI assistant. Changes made in one builder will not affect another builder, but each AI assistant operates in isolation, so several branches of work can be done at once. You can configure your application to run in parallel using something we call port variables. These are environment variables we inject into your builder's environment that bind to open ports. By defining all the ports in your application to your development setup, you can ensure multiple different branches of work all run on your machine without conflict. You can also configure which files are not tracked in version history, need to be copied into your builder's file system from the source directory so you can run your application locally. This can be sensitive files like .env files or application.local.property files that might contain API keys or other sensitive data you don't want committed. You can write detailed and formatted prompts in our prompt editor. It uses markdown formatting, so your prompt will be just as easy for you to read as it is for your AI. Terminals can be opened in the working directory of your builder, allowing you to run supporting processes and tools while your AI does the work. Since DevSwarm is running on your machine, the tools you know and love are near at hand. You can configure which editor you'd like to be able to open at any time. And with one click, open that editor in the working directory of your builder.